A student pushes a box across a rough horizontal floor. If the amount of work done by the student on the box is 100 joules, and the amount of energy dissipated by friction is 40 joules, what is the change in kinetic energy of the box? According to the work-kinetic energy theorem, the resultant work is equal to the change in kinetic energy. We must consider all work done on the box to get this resultant work. Because the floor is horizontal, the gravitational force and the normal force do no work on the box. Only the work done by friction and the work done by the pushing student need to be taken into account. The first one is positive 100 joules, and the second one is negative 40 joules. Therefore, the change in kinetic energy is 60 joules, which is option C.